Nantahan mo to? We're going to Aurora Dingalan.
Yo guys, good morning. It's already 3:58 in the morning. So, biyahe tayo ngayon guys sa Dingalan kasama ating buong family. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Let's go! Guys, good morning ako. Yung mga kasama natin. Ito mga pala sa kanya natin guys. Ano? Yung maglalala yan, si Ed Rivera.
Hi guys!
Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
We're buying some water and some marshmallow. Let's find some marshmallow. I'm still ninaantok. Tingin mo forma na ako dyan. Sa tingin mo forma.
No, nito.
Yes! Kita niyo yun? Ano pangalan ng ano mo? Sasakyan? Ano pangalan? Ano? Miraji. Miraji. Kahit saan, G lahat. Nasa driver lang yan. Yes!
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go to the wastelands, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go.
Ito yung damo ko na. Sakit. Alata mo si Pagkakas mo.
Saan ni Papa? Oy. Kulog yung buko dito.
Galing.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Hawak. Tingin ka dito. Tingin ka dito. Tingin ka dito, Migs. Tingin ka dito. Jai Tasmin.
Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
Tama! Awak! Hello guys! Hello po!